Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and this is another PR video. Thank you so much to MelodySusie for reaching out and sending me their new cordless nail drill. And this is the Atena cordless nail drill. This is the new one that they have out, and it is absolutely amazing and stunning. I'll be showing you everything through the video. Now I'm just showing you everything that it includes, and it's very easy to use. I love how it also includes 6 nail drill bits. It includes the cone, the safety bit, the needle head, small barrel, rounded bit, and also the sanding band bit that you can change the sanding band. So that is definitely really good. I love when they include all these things, and they also included this one, which was amazing because I don't have a sanding band I don't have a drill bit like that, so it's really nice to see them incorporate that as well. And it's super easy and simple to use. You just choose one nail drill bit, you release the handpiece, insert the drill into the handpiece like the nail bit, and then you lock it into place. I'll show you guys how to do that as well. And you can press the on and off button for 2 seconds to turn on or off the device. It's very simple and self-explanatory. You can also press the speed control to accelerate or decelerate the rotation speed. Along with, you can change the rotation direction of the grinding drill bit on the F/R button if needed. So it's very simple, very easy and convenient to use, and I absolutely loved it. Very powerful, very beautiful, sleek and elegant looking. Honestly, I had no complaints. I'm really happy that I got to add this to my addition of nail drill collections that I have going on, because you could just never have enough, in my personal opinion, when it comes to like anything nail related. You know, I love trying out new things, so I'm really happy that they reached out and sent this to me. So it's very simple to do everything. For example, if you want to replace a drill bit, all you do is turn the central barrel clockwise while hearing a click sound, and then you release the drill bit, and then you put the desired bit into the handpiece, and then vice versa if you're changing it. So it's very simple, but just always be sure to confirm the rotation bit, because you know you want to take care of yourself and not hurt yourself in any way. And then for the charging, it's actually a very long lasting battery, so that is really awesome. You don't really have to charge this often. So yeah, it's very self-explanatory, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the process. So here I just ended up grabbing the fine sanding band to just roughen up the surface, removing the shine. I'm just grabbing this cuticle safety bit to clean around the cuticle area, and then we're gonna get on to this tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you to all my old subscribers and my current new subscribers. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you for all the love and support. It genuinely means so much to me. I love all the support that I get in all my social medias. You guys are absolutely amazing. It always means so much and makes my day. So thank you. And here I'm just going in with a little quick prep. And obviously, if you want long lasting nails, always remember to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have a dehydrator, you could always just use some alcohol, or you can make some alcohol and 100% acetone, which is actual what dehydrator is made out of, if I am correct. And then don't forget a primer, but with the primer, like I always mention, it is trial and error. Some may work for you, some may stop working for you after a while, so you always have to see what is best for your personal prep routine. Along the way, you will see what works best for you, but I did not include the prep and prime in this particular video. So here I'm just grabbing a dusting brush and just removing the dust of the surface off of the surface of the nails, and then I'm gonna get right into choosing the nails. So for this particular video, I've seen a lot of almond nails lately. I'm like, you know, I guess a lot of people enjoy almond nails, so I decided to do an almond shape look. And honestly, I was never a fan of almond, but after this particular nail look that I did, I genuinely really like the way almond looks on me. I think it's very pretty, and I don't know, I just think it's really like a perfect length. First of all, these are, I believe, an almond shape, medium length. I really like them. They feel very comfortable. Like, it doesn't feel like I have all, like, I don't know, it just feels very light, like I don't really have nails on, if that makes sense. I really loved this shape and length, and I think it really complemented me personally, I don't know, maybe they look bad to some of you guys, but I actually really liked it. Or maybe it was just like the nail design, I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoy. And now I'm just pre-etching the inside of the nails, roughening it up for when I apply them with nail glue. They sustain very properly and they last a long while. For those who are interested in knowing how you can have long-lasting nails, always roughen up the inside of the nails that you're using and hold them down for at least 15 seconds. At least 15 seconds, and you guys will see a big change, along with using really good glue, which I recommend that KDS one. So yeah guys, I hope I'm not rambling and speaking too much, but if you guys hear noise in the background, it is currently raining in the beautiful Miami. Here today it's been very humid and it's just been raining, so I'm sorry if you guys hear that in the background. So now I'm just using a buffer, removing the shine from the nails, and then I'm going to go in with some base coat. So next I'm moving on to this color of Beetle 695. It's a really beautiful nude, so I decided to apply these to this particular nail set. And there is thunder outside and my dog is scratching on the door, but just disregard that. He gets really nervous when thunder arises, but I have to really get this video out right now, so I'm just trying my best to go through this voiceover as quickly as I can. So I ended up doing 2 coats of this particular nail polish, and I just cured it in between for 60 seconds. So yeah, right now it's just a hot mess. Doing my voiceover. My cat is meowing. I guess they're scared. My dog is going nuts, but I'm just really trying to push out this content for you guys. Plus, this video is overdue. I've been supposed to have it like posted, so I'm just really trying my best to get this through. So yeah, I just want to disregard that. I'm sorry. So yeah, here that is what I'm doing. I did a total of 2 coats. So for today's look, I will be using this foil and I'm just cutting them into small rectangles, and you guys will see why. I decided to do kind of like, you guys will see, I don't really know how to explain what type of look I'm doing. And before this, I actually tried to do my own smile lines to do French nails. Oh my god, the biggest fail ever. I definitely have to practice off camera, so that was another thing to take me a couple tries until I came up with what I wanted to do, because I was just thinking I'm gonna do some French tip nails with some added decor like butterflies, but oh no, I do not know how to do that free-handed on my own, so I definitely have to practice. So I decided to go with this nail look and I hope you guys like it. So here I'm just applying the Beetles nail foil glue, and I'm just going to be curing it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply the foils to where I want to place them. And I'm going in with the silicone tool, which I recommend 100%. I think I got these through Amazon. They're really inexpensive, and I'm just going in with them to apply the foil and then just removing the foil. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys thought, your thoughts and opinions on today's nail art look, and then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below. I'd love to know your thoughts and opinions on today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will let you enjoy the rest. So this is what they look like so far, and next I'm just going ahead and applying my favorite nail couture top coat, and I'm just applying this on all the nails, and then I'm going to go in and cure it for 60 seconds. Then we're going to move on and apply some cuticle oil, and that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I love you guys. Till next time.